Hi, welcome back to Art with Mrs. Bloomfield. Today we've been working a lot with mixing colors, and I thought it would be fun to learn how to mix colors using watercolor. So all we need today is a template which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares, and we have 2 rows of 6 squares. We need our watercolor tray. This is a mixing plate. I just used a styrofoam plate. You could use an actual mixing bowl, or this works real nice. I've got my water in a different little bowl and my paintbrush, and I am ready to go. Let's follow along. Set these to the side. When we use watercolor, we always want to start with the lightest color first. So if we're not using black today, we're starting with yellow. We're going to use yellow first. Get your brush wet and rub a little water into the yellow paint. Notice I'm not smashing my brush. No. Just wipe it in there. Then we're going to go all around the outside of the inside of this black square. Might need a little bit more. Now I'm going to get some more water on my brush, and I'm going to pull the paint towards the center. Good, that's a nice yellow. Now we're going to take a little bit more yellow paint out of there, and put it right on this little palette. And put it in a little blob right here. Save that for later. I actually need 2 blobs of yellow. So let's do one there and one here, right next to it. 2 blobs of yellow. Then we can rinse your paintbrush out. The next darkest color is going to be orange. Let's rub some water in our orange paint. And same as the yellow, we're going to go all the way around the inside of this square. Now I'm going to add some water and pull the paint towards the center. The water helps it to move across the page. Now, while my brush is still wet from the orange paint, let's put a little orange paint on top of this yellow, just on this one. Might need a little bit more. Now we made a new color. This is yellow-orange. We're going to put it right here. Yellow-orange is right in between yellow and orange. Some water. Pull into the center. Good. Rinse your brush out. Now we need to move a little bit of orange paint onto our palette. Just plain orange. That should be enough. Rinse your brush. Notice how the water is getting darker. Next color we use is red. Square. Now let's get a little bit of water. Pull the paint into the middle. Now while your brush is still got red, put it right on top of that orange paint. Maybe a little bit more. Now we've got red-orange. Right here. Some water. brush out and take a little red paint, put it right here, save that. That's your brush. And now we're going to jump all the way down here to violet. A little bit of violet. Mix it in with this red. We've got red violet, new color. Red violet, isn't that pretty? Good. Get a little water. Move it into the middle. Good. Rinse brush out. Next color, green. Green is going to go right here next to red. Some water and pull into the center. Little circles. Good. Now we need to take some of that green paint. And you remember that yellow that we had? We're going to cover up the yellow. Good. Now that's a new color. That's a little bit lighter. That's yellow-green. Good. Next we will make another green right here next to that one. And our next color, oops, got a little water there. Our next color is going to be blue. Blue is going to go right here next to green. What we need to do next, add a little water and pull. Remember those little circles are going to make it not be so streaky. Okay, very good. A little bit more blue paint. Put it right on top of the green. This is one of my favorite colors. Blue-green. Very nice. Stuffed in the wrong one. Water. Rinse it out. And a little bit more blue right here. Rinse it out. Now I'm ready for purple. We call it violet. It's awful dark. Good. A little water and pull. Pretty. Okay, last one. Take a little violet. Let's make a blue violet. It's kind of the color of a grape. Beautiful. Blue violet. colors. We have these ones that we find in the box, and we also have these ones that we made all by ourselves. Good job.